So this is the famous feature of Fuji Fishing Harbor, is that they have this live seafood market here. I used to take my yacht here and I tell people we're going to Fuji for the lunch, and it sounds very exotic, all the way to Fuji. I said, no, Fuji Fishing Harbor. But it is still very exotic. Look at all the seafood you can find here. Let's go see if we can find Sugar's wife, 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚 to sell us some fish. Come on. 𝙏𝙖𝙞，哎，你好，你好，
你好，你好。
哇，你今天很多的东西。
今天东西比较少。
哦，真的吗？
真的，这个我们这边的名产啊，
就是
花蟹。
哦 ，OK， 就是你平时抓的就会这种的。
我们自己家的船都抓这个。
哇，很漂亮啊。
很漂亮哈。
那个不是当地的，是不是？那个叫做水
姑娘。
水姑娘。
澳洲进口的。
哇，台湾的是怎么样啊？
台湾的是这种，台湾的是这个。
哦，这是你抓的这种的，你自己抓的，
这个很凶，
很凶啊。
这个还好，小只还好，大只的抓不住。
这个会蛰人。
哦 ，OK， 那个是
那个
鳗鱼啊，鳗鱼，
对，
这是海里的
啊，这也是我们自己抓的啊。
OK， 他们会咬啊，是不是？
会咬，所以用网子套起来。
哦，看到它的，
对，
这个怎么煮啊？
可以红烧，可以三杯，药炖。
哇，你这样的说，我开始饿了，八道腰哎，对。
好，那等一下可以煮来吃。
这里的活海鲜是怎么安排的？每一天要换的。
他负责抓。
他负责抓。
我负责卖。
OK。
对，然后我们有餐厅，我爸爸妈妈在料理。
We have the perfect example of a fishing family here. The husband catches the fish, the wife sells the fish. And they also have a restaurant where you can eat the fish. So you can have a one-stop shop here. And that's the beauty of Taiwan. Everything from the ocean to the shop to the table, all in one family. You got to know the quality is good. There's one other thing I wanted to show you about 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚's fish market here. And it's quite important. If you look here, they actually have a chart that shows you what is too small to eat for each type of crab. Or if the crab here has eggs in it, you shouldn't eat it. And this is all about sustainability and conservation. I think that's a very important part. They make sure that the crab they sell and the animals they sell are sustainable. This is why I come to Fuji Fishing Harbor. Look at the food here. We're gonna enjoy Fuji Harbor's great seafood. Cheers. Sugar, 𝙏𝙖𝙞𝙥𝙚. And the best thing is to share it with friends. 谢谢你，吃饭。